Just got our another batch of billet hooks in from our machinist. I'm just going to show you how these go together. If you look close, you can see some superb machine work going on. These are designed in-house here, and then we send them out for machining. We're using a 1/2x20 threaded bolt for ultimate strength. These just thread together. So I'll get, before I tighten everything, I'll get all the bolts kind of seated in the countersunk chamfer. These are going to come packaged in a bubble wrap so that they won't be damaged. I usually just set them on there, two bolts started, and easy as that for assembly. Add a set of those removable mud punisher parts. Just about ready. That's got me quite horny. Yeah. If you have a vise with the aluminum soft jaws on the towel, that's probably the best way to tighten these. Vise them up. You don't want to scratch the surface. I'm wearing the rubber gloves just so that I don't get the fingerprints all over the billet. Not that it hurts it, just a little bit cleaner. Now I just want to make sure that these are nice and snug without breaking the table, plastic table that we've got. Just want to make sure that that's got a no spaces. That come up close, you can see that. Perfect fit right there. That's what you want to see. That just makes so that there's no potential movement right there. So now when it goes on the truck, it's tough as shit, or a solid connection, or whatever you want to call that. Anyways, so that's our loops. What we've already showed you is our tugs. Pretty much the same concept. One's just open-ended, the other is a closed loop. Both very nice looking. There we go. Now let's go put them on a truck. forgot to mention earlier is one side has Lupz machined into it, the other side has Flog machined into it, so you want to mount them, I guess the same way on each part, so that when they go on here they're symmetrical. So you can have a Lupz inside or a Flog inside, it doesn't matter, just make sure you mount them the same way.